Okay, today, One Piece Manga 745 is officially out, and continue on from when Doflamingo was using Birdcage, and now people are trapped in DRESSROSA. I really love the fact that with Pika still inside of the castle, he can actually redesign it, and he can change the landscape. I think that's what it said. Like the stuff right there, well, that stuff, but you know what I'm trying to say. Even from the start that Doflamingo started ruling DRESSROSA, he was not taking his job seriously. But now, he will rule you all with iron fists because he ought have in the first place. So Doflamingo here. Doflamingo, he gets very, very angry. So he makes everyone on the, island play a game. You guys play a game? Yes, so he pulls assault on everyone in DRESSROSA, making everyone a bounty hunter. You need to kill a certain person. I know something. We need Sabo. Because Luffy, he got his ass handed to him by Doflamingo with that automatic hockey and a punch to the face. So yeah, we're not getting anywhere. We're just gonna get punched around like that. And Luffy is one of the strongest people on the island, but currently, right now, he is really the weakest. Well, not the weakest, but from like the top strongest people on the island right now in DRESSROSA, Luffy would have to be the weakest of the strongest on DRESSROSA. Well, one of the weakest, because the wall got annihilated sometime earlier in other chapters. In other news, yeah, with the Birdcage trapping everyone and controlling let's see, Doflamingo having control over everyone, and if you do something wrong, he'll just control you and make you kill everyone. So that's what he's doing when Birdcage was activated or hit the ground. Everyone was confused, everyone was killing each other, and stuff is just going down seriously in this chapter. If you're not playing the games, especially Doflamingo. I am very, very glad that Sabo is here. Because without Sabo, Luffy will probably die. Doflamingo could have most likely killed Luffy, but he did not kill Luffy. You wanna know why he didn't kill Luffy? Because he wanted to show that he is who he is. He wanted to show dominance to Luffy, okay? Luffy, let's say that Doflamingo is a regular person and Luffy's a dog. Doflamingo wanted to show his dominance over this dog named Luffy. So, he beat Luffy up, which is anime abuse if Luffy is actually a dog, but you know what I'm trying to say. He's showing true, strong dominance towards Luffy, but he's showing who's the powerful one around here, and he's not playing any games. Unlike Luffy, he's been playing around until now. Luffy just came here, he dropped someone off, but he got distracted. So he did his little gaming stuff he usually does, played around. But no, Doflamingo said, no, this is what's happening. You ain't gonna be playing around on this island. And all my little citizens out there, I'm the king. So I'm gonna tell y'all what to do. I have these little people I want y'all to kill. Because right now, everyone here is a bounty hunter. So, I can't wait for the next chapter. Because I just want to see what goes down in this manga. I just want to see what goes down. Because right now, Luffy, you're not really that strong. Because at any moment, Doflamingo could kill you if you wanted to. Because with that hockey that he did, I don't know why you didn't protect yourself with your armor and hockey, but and I guess that's just you. You'll see it coming.